Here we are going to demonstrate the OPD Plus Clinic software. It is used in single PC and multiple PC LAN setup. Now, double click on OPD Plus icon, enter username and password. Press enter. First, provide the doctor details of your clinic in Doctor Master with name, degree, registration number, and department. Others are not mandatory. Click on Save. Now, go to Administrator, Setting, Doctor tab. Here you can set the default doctor selection in software with username. Here you can set the page header details for page A4 and A5 with username. If you want to set for printed header, then set disable option is report header. And if you want to keep header 1, header 2 and header 3 details on letterhead, then click enable and provide header 1, header 2, header 3 details and save it. Now, which medicine type you want to show by default in prescription report, that you need to set in the prescription tab. Now set when you want to generate the receipt of OPD, before or after. Before means OPD is compulsory to generate receipt. After means OPD is not compulsory. OPD is compulsory to generate the receipt. These are the masters of OPD Plus. First reference, you can set the referred by and referred to data in reference master. This is company master of medicines provider. Set the charges of clinic or hospitals in charges master. Add and save. If you want to update record, then click the record, then click on edit button. Do changes, then click on save to update it. This is dosage master for prescription, family master for patient family. This is medicine master where you have to provide all the medicines of a clinic. Enter name, select drug from list. If not in list, then enter into drug master. Save it, then select it. Select internal or external option. Internal means medicines are provided from dispensary area. External means medicines are provided from pharmacy area. Select type of medicine, dosage, dosage remarks, notes, not mandatory, days of medicine treatment. This is drug master which link to medicine master. This is a dosage master. You can set different dosages for medicine in this master and then apply in medicines. Here it is special notes master where you can set notes for prescription. Here you can set the holidays of doctors. This is patient registration where you have to register the patient, enter the data, then click on save button to save. This is appointment module for reception area. Here they can register the patient, set the appointment and can generate the receipt also. You can send SMS of appointment also. Now click on new patient to register the patient. Enter the required details. If you want to update the patient registration, then you have to click on edit, then select this particular patient, then change the details and you can save it again. You can provide family details by entering in Family Master. It is useful for family accounting. Save data of patient registration. Provide details in appointment like doctor, appointment status, appointment time, vital data, etc. Click on save. Here you can generate the receipt of patient also.